Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the online classes of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. For class 5th, subject Social Studies, today we are going to do the revision of lesson number 11 presented by Durga Thapa. So students, in this video, we are going to revise what is weather, what is climate, and what are the factors influencing the climate and which seasons are included in the climate. Here students, the different seasons of India are summer season, rainy season, winter season and autumn season. So students, now you understood what is weather. The answer is hour to hour and day to day condition of atmosphere is called weather. What is weather? Hour to hour and day to day condition of atmosphere is called weather. In this chapter, we have also studied about climate. What is climate? Climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Now students, the next question comes, difference between weather and climate. Now I think that you are able to give me the answer. So first of all, we will know what is the first difference. Weather. Weather describes the atmospheric conditions of a place over a short period of time, whereas climate describes the atmospheric condition of a region over a long period of time. That means weather is showing the short period of time and climate is the atmospheric condition of a region over a long period of time. Weather is a short period of time and climate is showing the atmospheric condition for a long period of time. Number 2, atmosphere conditions change within short spell of time. So in weather, it might be raining right now and after 5 minutes or 10 minutes it will stop raining and the bright sun can be appeared on the sky. So that means atmosphere conditions change within short spell of time, but climate is generally termed as the average of weather conditions of a region and it cannot be changed over a short period of time. Number 3, weather covers a small area whereas climate covers a large area comparatively. Number 4, weather data is collected by weather instruments. It can be collected daily, but whereas climate data is calculated and recorded over a period of 35 years. Okay. So students, the question number 3 is, write a short note on the factors influencing the climate of a region. So the answer is, the factors influencing the climate of a region are, the first one is temperature, number 2, distance from the equator, number 3, height from the sea level, number 4, distance from the sea, number 5, directions of winds, number 6, humidity and rainfall, and number 7 is ocean currents. Now all these factors influence the climate of a region. Now students, the first factor influencing the climate is temperature. Now we all know that the temperature of any place or area is affected by various factors such as latitude, altitude, distance from sea, ocean currents and winds. And we also know that temperature is measured in degree Celsius. Next factor influencing the climate is distance from the sea. As we will go far away from the equator, the temperature will decrease, and as we come near the equator, the temperature rises or temperature increases. So this is the main reason that influence the climate of any place. Now students, the third factor is height above the sea level. Now we all know that as we go up from the sea level, that means as we go to the mountains, the temperature decreases and the place will have the cool weather. Okay.
This is the picture of famous Russian writer Maxim Gorky. Maxim Gorky lost his parents when he was 10 years old. He was very young at that age. Young Gorky had to work as a cobbler to begin his bread. He was so poor, so he has to work as a cobbler to earn his bread.
Yes, students, the cities like Shimla, Nainital, Mussoorie, all these cities are having the cool weather because they are up, they got a very good height above the sea level. Okay. Now students, the fourth factor influencing the climate is the distance from the sea. The places located near the sea coast have a moderate climate. That means they are not very hot in summers and they are not very cold in winter. On the other hand, the places which are very far away from the sea, they always have the hot temperature in summer and severe cold in winter. This is because of the distance from the sea. The areas which are near the sea have always a moderate temperature because of the land breeze and the sea breeze. Okay. The fifth factor influencing the climate of a place is direction of the winds. The winds blowing from hot regions bring the high temperature, and while those blowing from cold regions bring low temperature. The wind passing over water bodies are full of moisture and provides rain. So, the direction of wind is also very important regarding the climate of a place. Yes, students, the sixth factor influencing the climate is humidity and rainfall. The amount of water or the amount of moisture or water vapor present in the air is called humidity. Now the winds blowing from sea or ocean increase the humidity in the air, and the amount of rainfall is also affected by the humidity. High rainfall, that means more humidity is there. Students, the last factor affecting the climate is ocean currents. Ocean currents have both warm and cold currents. So these currents also affect the climate of coastal area because hot currents, that means warm currents, bring the warm temperature and cold currents bring the cold temperature. Thank you students for watching the video.